National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Southwestern Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Juliet, or 7 miles west of Lebanon, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for the Mount Juliet and Lebanon areas. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expects considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Carthage, Hendersonville, La Vernie, Mount Juliet, Lakewood, Watertown, Gordonsville, Hermitage, Rural Hill, Belinda City, Old Hickory, Walter Hill, Hickman, South Carthage, Alexandria, Bledsoe Creek State Park, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area and Cedars of Lebanon State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 217 and 265. Interstate 840 between mile markers 62 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.